What's up internet? Steemy Coinz here once again. Thanks for checking out the video. Alright guys, so I just wanted to just put this video together for you really quick. I'm not gonna spend too much time today. Alright, but yeah, so what you're seeing on the screen, Bitcoin US dollar, Bitcoin performing awesome, exactly as I predicted. Now you guys can see that white line, right? If you check my previous video, or maybe the one before that, but I called this exactly. I called for a $7,400 Bitcoin, and then we had it. It hit the line exactly, and I swear I did not move it. You guys can go back and check that video if you don't believe me. But it looks like Bitcoin did exactly as I predicted. You know, that's, you know, wow. But still looking incredibly bullish. One thing I am a little bit concerned about though is the, well, is the size of the volume size. A little bit concerned. It doesn't mean too much though, but yeah, so that's the only sign that it looks a little bit weak. But other than that, overall we still look extremely bullish, you know. So looking good. So that's the daily. Let's drill down a bit, see what happened on the 4-hour chart. Alright, so mostly sideways movement. So that white line right there, 7,400, is definitely the line of support. Alright, so I wouldn't mind if we just bounce along that line for a little bit. I'm hoping that we don't break it. Alright, so that looks like a pretty decent level to stay at. Let's drill down to the hour chart. Yeah, so yeah, Bitcoin's being traded. Bitcoin's definitely being traded. A lot of traders out in the market right now. So you can just tell by the volume and, you know, just the way it looks. All right, so yeah, definitely bullish. All right, so let's take a look at a couple positions that I have. LTC, BTC. All right, some sideways trading. Alright, so that's pretty positive. Alright, so we're forming a nice little support. So it looks like the support is around here, I would say. Yeah, so around 12,852 satoshis. Alright, so this is Litecoin versus Bitcoin. So yeah, looking good. Let's take a look at another position I have. I have the Binance token. Still looking good. I put this line of support here, so we're a little bit under it. I drew this trend line. We're experiencing slightly lower lows. Right, slightly lower lows. Yeah, but it looks like we might be turning that around soon. It's not full-blown altcoin season yet, but you know, just looking at this, you know that this is definitely one of the stronger tokens in the space. There's no doubt about that. I believe Binance token is at let's see where Binance at, number 7. Definitely one of the stronger tokens. All right, so overall, my analysis of the market, we're just building some nice strong levels of support. Alright, so just looking good overall. What else do I have that I'm trading right now? I have some Zcash. Same thing. It's going sideways. It's establishing some really good support. Just get rid of that. That's in the past. That's no longer relevant. But yeah, guys. So I'd say just buy some crypto. Buy some crypto. It's not financial advice. Just you know, that's what I would do, and that's what I am doing. Just buy some crypto and hold it. You don't have to trade aggressively. You can trade the swings. All right, just take profit where you can, and just be patient and be calm. You know, we have a long way to go in this crypto space. All right, so let's take a look at my trade that I was talking about yesterday on the Tron blockchain. So this is a Binance versus Tron, not Binance, sorry, BitTorrent token versus Tron. Yeah, I made a mistake. I bought around here. around this level, which I should never do. Just for whatever reason, whatever thoughts came in my head, and it was so obvious it was going down. Even just looking at the order book, you could see that it was gonna go down. But I think we're starting to establish a level of support, so I'm not gonna get burnt too badly on this. But I am not gonna be in profit until we cross this line right about here. So anything can happen from there. I did have the thought of just selling, just selling out and just waiting for a better opportunity to come back in. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it. I think I'm just gonna carry those bags and just leave, because it's BitTorrent token, so it's definitely gonna go up. There's so much going on with the BitTorrent right now. It's definitely gonna go up. So I'm just gonna hold on to those bags for a while and just ride it out. So I don't think we're gonna pull back too much more. It's hard for me to see that. Just based on where we're coming from, it's hard to see it pulling back too much more, but it is falling right now, so who knows. All right, yeah guys, so that's about it for the videos. I really appreciate if you'd like and subscribe to these videos. This is me just documenting my investing journey and educating the public about cryptocurrencies and this life-changing technology that's out there. So if you guys find the information informative and interesting, go ahead and subscribe. Alright, so just gonna touch on a couple platforms that I'm in on my passive trades. This is a platform I'm promoting and I am also personally invested in. Alright, so they pay up to 1.25% daily. They guarantee 1%, but up to 1.25% daily. Alright, so they're registered. I did the due diligence myself. I checked them out, but I'd encourage you to do your own research. All right, I am not your financial advisor. All right, but this is an amazing company. They're based in England. They're fully registered, fully regulated. All right, so yeah, it's always good to have some money on the sidelines just working for you that you don't have to think about too much. All right, so that's them. There's also Coinz. So this is another website that I'm personally invested in. All right, so they have some pretty good packages. Let me show you as soon as the screen loads. I don't know why it's taking so long. Come on. Yeah, so nice investment packages. In 2 weeks you can make 121%. Basically, you're gonna profit 21% in 2 weeks. And you get your initial investment back plus the 21%. Minimum investment for this package $25, maximum $5,000. All right, and they also have the 5.5. You get paid out daily for 6 weeks, and at the end of that period, you walk away with 65% profit. All right, and 7.5% daily. At the end of the 6 weeks, you walk away with 210% profit. This company is blowing up right now. They're doing a lot of they're getting a lot of customers in from Asia. So I'd encourage you guys to check them out. And they pay you back in Bitcoin value. All right, so you actually profit from the increase in the Bitcoin value while you're invested with them. All right, so when they say 21%, that is 21%. They're gonna grow your Bitcoin itself by 21%. So the value of the Bitcoin will go up. Well, that's where it's going right now. It's going up. So you know that's gonna increase. So you invest 25, your 25 is gonna turn into 35, plus you get 20% on top of that 35. If you get my drift. All right, so yeah, very, very interesting company. So I encourage you guys to check that out. You guys interested in any of these? Links in the description. Also links in the description for some other DAPPS that I'm invested in. All right, anyway guys, thanks for checking out the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Peace.